Alright, sanibona ubonga Robert Meyer. Okay, angina title. Anginasikhundla kwezepolitiki, anginasikhundla esizweni sakwaZulu, anginasikhundla ngokwebandla. Ngikholwa kodwa kwamanje ngihlele ekhaya, so anginasay basically masiza kuma affairs awebandla njengoba okwamanje ngisengaphandle kwebandla, and then anginasay kwi-administration yebandla. Nginesay ngokwezwi likaNkulunkulu, anginasay ngokwengcebo. Okwamanje ngisalinde impumelelo ngokwengcebo, so ngifuna ukuphendula just ukuphawula ngokwenkulumo yesilo namhlanje, and then ngizocela ukuxuba noma ngikhuluma because vela ngikhulele endaweni ezihlukene, so ngiyazama ukuthi ngikhulume isiZulu ngendlela efanelekile, but ke khona amagama engawazi kahle, so ngizoxuba. Uma ethi kwake kwazivelela ukuthi seyiswe abantu bokufika, and then sadlula kukho ngesikhathi kaMdlokombane. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi sadlula kukho nini, ngoba azange sidlule kukho. Wathi ekhuluma inkulumo uMdlokombane kwagijima osopolitiki be-ANC ne-IFP ukuthi bamhambele phambili mhlawumbe, then kube ngathi mhlawumbe umuntu wambhalela ispeech wenza iphutha, kambhalelanga kahle. Isilo senziwa umuntu obenephutha kuloko ayekhulumile, kwangathi kufanele isilo siqolise, and then kwase kuba udaba oluthalaliswayo. Emva kwalokho akubangi kusashiwo lutho ngalo, kwavele nje kwaba into ignorwayo ngathi ayenzekanga by the South African government and the politicians which are gatekeepers of the South African government to the Zulu nation, the ANC and the IFP. So now ngicela ukubuza ukuthi sadlula nini lapho kulolo daba, because mina ngikhumbula leyo issue iba nesisombululo, yashiwa ilenga. Ifana nodaba lwango-2008, kwadlulwa nini kulona? Kungani mangabe uhulumeni angithi nango-2008, ngoba phela kusho ukuthi phela siyilima thina abantu abahlaniphile. Okay, siyilima thina abantu abahlaniphile, uhulumeni nabaholi thina siyizidomu, so asazi lutho. And ngaleso sikhathi yithi sihlala nalabantu, yithi esibuka usuku nosuku okwenzakalayo ezweni, hayi ikhulu ezilala emahhotela zikahulumeni. Manje thina la esihlala khona-ke namanje ngise-point la, by the way, eThekwini. So ngicela ukubuza ukuthi uhulumeni lo owathi uzosombulula le nkinga eyasicika by 2008, wenzani kuyisombulula njengoba unyaka manje sewu-2026, okusho ukuthi 18 years wonke kwaba neskimish, akusiyo impilo ya kwaba iskimish ukuthi abahambe labantu kwaku-2008. Uhulumeni-ke wase enzani emva kwalokho? Angithi kwathi wafana silinde uhulumeni, wase enzani uhulumeni? Kungani-ke namhlanje emva kweskimish sika-2008 kwathiwa sibe nokuthula, and then namhlanje-ke ekuthuleni nasekuhlonipheni nasekulindeni uhulumeni, labantu sebaphindaphindwe 10 times more than they were in 2008. So clearly uhulumeni ufacilitator ukuza kwabo en masse. So manje uma uhulumeni esichwenza sizwe ngoba uhulumeni wa South Africa uyadelela. All right, I'm not very sure why the government wants to be respected when they are so arrogant and disrespectful to the people who voted for them. Angaze ngivotele ANC because isoloko ngazi ukuthi inhlangano ewumbhedo, so ngivotele umbhedo simangazwe laba bajoyine lo mbhedo ke esike sabavotela before. So ngicela ukubuza ukuthi since 2008 uhulumeni wenze ngalo daba. Asibuyele eDenver silo uMsizulu eDenver hospital kanje kwenzakalana. Konje amaZulu mawezoshisa lapha kule ntuzo ku GP ku Julius Street lama business amandiya kwakwenze njani konje silo. Lasonjululwa nini lolo daba ngoba ngabona mina ushengo ezokhuza amaZulu engasho lutho kumandiya nabelungu abenza lolo daba. So kwenze njani baholi be traditional leadership yamaZulu wayinilwela abantu bokuhamba wayini ningasibeki phambili njengesizwe kodwa nibe nithi mphethe thina kunisebenzela even financially or amagama eniwona ahloniphekayo thina silutho kuhlonishwa nina hayi abantu benu. So I understand ukuthi why would you feel honored as a leader when only you and your name are respected, not the people that you lead? If they actually truly respected you as Ushenge, as Isilo, they would be respecting your people. So they are not, it means they are bribing you. They're taking advantage of you. All right. So because anyway, yaphelela up leo 2008, yaphelela up 2014 at GP, yaphelela up 2015 kamhlokombani because tena we've been gaslighted to this state. So gaslighting is arrogance to us. It has got no respect. Amakhanda ethu ayasebenza sicela ningasenzi ilima. We are not fools. All right. We are not fools at all. Yabona. uNkulunkulu uyopha ukuhlakanipha asize izilimi. All right. Mesabeni Jehova khona nizohlonipha abantu enibaholayo ukuze makhuluma nathi nisabe uNkulunkulu khona nizosho okuyikhona kithina. All right. Ngoba nina obligations as leaders ningamkhohlwa uEzekiel chapter 22 chapter 21 or 22 verse 22 or verse 21 onwards lapho uNkulunkulu ekhuluma nani baholi enithukuthelele mawufuna labo baholi bayafana nani bayafana nani. So mawuzuza ukuthi ke kwenze njani sihlupheka kangaka ingenxa yenu baholi sihlothsheki isizwe sihlupheka ngenxa yenu baholi both bepolitiki namakhosi esizwe sihlushekiswa sihlupheka ngenxa yenu. Sisi nina nokudla ke lala nama security guard and everything thina siku front line. Mina 10 years mina ngingasebenzi ngicabanga ngisurvive ngani nje angasebenzi kodwa nabo abantu bokufika bayasebenza. So and then khona nama preferred nation e South Africa anikezwe imisebenzi thina sibekele emuva eZulus. You never speak about those issues. Uyazazi ukuthi izinto ezenzakalayo but you never address them because they are inconvenient to yourselves because you've got people to please at the expense of our dying selves. It's a problem. Now ukhuluma ngodaba lo okay umbuzo lapho ukuthi sedlula kulokho so mina ngithi angikhumbule sedlula kukho. We have been gaslighted so far and then uhulumeni has brought 10 times more illegal immigrants than they were in 2008 and then they've got privileges to masebengenile banamalungelo okubala. Apparently they are refugees but they can visit home which ilima yithi. The government says we are fools and whoever reiterates the position of the government is saying we are fools because angithi siyababona ukuthi abasi ama refugees siyazi refugee nje sonke yabo. So angihlala nabo abasi ama refugee angithi niyababona nani bephuma beyovakasha ekhaya kuyayibona i-refugee ovakasha ekhaya abantu benkosi hayi please uthi kuzodilwa nalaba abangenzi okuhle. Alright, that's fine. Okay, la ngathi sokela amaphutha la lapha ku Facebook ngithe angizilalelele inkulumo yakho ukuze ngingake misinterpret. Asiyeke le ngiqeda ukuyisho. Asike lokho ukuthi uzo remove uNatal. Uqinisile khona ukuthi igama linendalo linalokho elikudalayo. So lo Natal uvele unejoka silithwesiwe lo Natal, ijoka lobu colonial. Alright, so it's not just to Natal, uPietermaritzburg okunye, yabona nto le maningi lamajoka ahambisana negama, and noma umsusa uNatal iqiniso ukuthi amakhomanisi afaka amagama abanye abaholi abangahlangene nempumelelo yesizwe samaZulu whatsoever. So iliphi elizokhishwa, iliphi elingeke likhishwe. Alright, bekungcono kuwe kuthiwa we honor Zulu, the Zulu kingdom, especially in key names of roads and streets of this city of Durban and KwaZulu-Natal at large. So there are many stakeholders lapho abalwela ama-interests abo. So singamsusa uNatal anginankinga kangako, but may it be ukuthi asizifici sikule simo lesi-ANC sokuthi bahlale beshaya ama-street renaming ngabaholi babo, kodwa abantu abamnyama bayahlupheka. Sebewaqambile kabusha lawo magama nge-ANC yabo. Abantu abaphumelela ama-tenderpreneur and senior ANC leaders, everybody else is basically in dire needs, very poor. Alright, so instead Amandia, they are, especially the Muslim Indians, they are making lots of money. So sinwafakile la magama ke kungani ingcebo yakwaZulu iya kuma Muslim Indians. Uzomisa uZulu, yazi nami ngathi ngama ngilibheka igama lakho ngathi nangu ozosimisa. 2 years later, I'm a very disappointed man. I don't know. Akukho mpi ozoyiphaka. Yazi phela masenjalo, then there's nothing else to say really, because it's a decision, angithi. I wouldn't take that position ukuthi ayikho mpi engayiphaka mina. I would say ngizoyiphaka impi ye-self defense if there's a need. But to bide myself ukuthi for as long as I live I will never angeke ngize ngiyiphaka impi, kusho ukuthi Silo uthi abaZulu mangahlaselwa nje kodwa manje wena you are bound to phela isifungo leso sure isifungo, so uthi wena ngeke uzoyiphaka impi ngoba wena uzenje la okuzolela ipeace, not survival yesizwe sakho. So the whole nation can die as long as you have maintained peace, as long as ungalwanga. So the prerogative ukuthi ungalwi, the nation can die and perish. When angeke uzoyiphaka impi, how can you bind yourself to such an undertaking yokuthi ngeke uzoyiphaka impi? Ma amaZulu ehlaselwa uzozijana, athi ma amaZulu ehlaselwa nje wasihlaselwa fanele impi iphawe ukuze uvikele isizwe. Isiphi isizwe esake savikelwa ipeace? Ngicela ukukhombisa esisodwa. Show me one nation which was defended by peace. Show me, and then I'll show you endless wars on earth by white people. Azipheli lezi impi zabo namhlanje kusaliwa abelungu bayalwa kuze kube namhlanje, yabo. So le peace le eyijoke elingaka kumaZulu siyayazi impi siyazelaphi impi. Abantu abazi impi yabelungu nabantu base-Asia nalabantu balapha phezulu Afrika kade belwa izimpi laba bantu. La kwaZulu siyazelaphi impi. Impi, the last war there was in 1879. sashaywa nakhona sazelaphi impi mase usishaya ifuba sayazi impi sasha yipi lempi le esiziqhanya ngayo ukuthi siyayazi yipi mina ngibona ubugwala kuhlale sithola nje opportunity wonke ukuthi salekele nje impi na impi isiqondile isibhile fanele naso saleka shwele ukuthula land is going ukuthula people die like flies ukuthula if you have power to and protect your people otherwise uhulumeni akangeni kwaZulu okay nangu lapha ya committee leNgonyama Trust so angikhosha ukusho ukuthini lokho obuhlobo nezinye izizwe hayi amaZulu kudala ekwenza lokho amaZulu kudala ekwenza lokho yabona izizwe sishada nazo kangcono abesuthu bakaMshweshwe we make good relationships with them goGoli sishadile namavenda lawa sishadile nama ayithi nathi siyamaZulu eGoli samaZulu phela nathi so shade nazo zonke lezi zizwe so angikho sure ukuthi iissue yini ngoba sihlale sibelesela ngokuthi fanele sifunde nezilimi zabanye abantu sifundeleni into abalekile ngokuzazi lezo izilimi kahle hle mase uzazile ke lezo zilimi kuze bani uzoceba uzophumelela empilweni ngazi ama language awabantu abamnyama la eSouth Africa ngikhuluma isiZulu ngikhuluma isiZulu manje ngikhuluma isiSuthu kanje njengoba ngikhuluma isiZulu nesisuthu ngisikhuluma kanje yabona into le so and then ekutheni ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma isiSuthu ikuphi lokho kungenza ngibe ngcono than lo mZulu ozikhulumela isiZulu so sakubo kuphaqayo ezazela sona sodwa uthola ukuthi yena futhi uphumelele kangcono kunami ngazi izilimi lezo ngiyalizwa nebhunu 25% ngiyabezwa so lapho kuzwakala nje kunale agenda yokuthi sedelelwe abantu baseLimpopo baloku bethi asifuna ukufunda ezinye izilimi silo sethu ngisacela uvikela amaZulu izilimi zabanye abantu siyazazi kodwa abelungu abazazi izilimi zethu and akekho umuntu obatshela ukuthi bona abazi izilimi zethu futhi usually each language is really to do with ama dynamics are natural dynamics ukuthi a language is a common language in a particular place so wonke amaZulu azalelwe akhulela ePitori bayasazi isipedi futhi bayashada nabantu nabanye abantu bezizwe amaZulu phela kuselapha lapha kwaNongoma kuphela amaZulu sisabalalele umhlaba wonke sishada nanabelungu sishada namaNdiya sishada nama Black Americans sishada nawo wonke umuntu bese seshadile ke nabo ke then what engathi lo shada khona nje labantu bekungafanele ngashade nabo ngoba zikhona izizwe okungekuhle ukushada naso zikhona ungakufunda lo naseBhayibhelini uNkulunkulu etshela isizwe ukuthi ukuze sibe ngcwele khona uhlobo lwezizwe okungafanelanga bashade naso so phakathi kokuthi ke isizwe samaZulu silalele okusho ukuthi sihambe sishada nawo wonke umuntu noma simqaphele uNkulunkulu makethi khona izizwe okungashadwa naso yabona ke lenkinga lo ebalala lapha eAddington okube besiqaphele ukuthi khona abantu esingalali nabo nesingashadi nabo ngaba yikho uyabona ukuthi ivuseni buka nje just example lapho masihambe silala nanoma ubani buka uhlevano olukhandekayo because akho sibusiso ngoba kulalwe nabantu ongafanelele kulalwe nabo maNkulunkulu athi ungahlanganyeli noma wabi uthi ungahlanganyeli noma wabi usho njalo khona izizwe okungalalwa nokungashadwa nazo izizwe ezingcwele ngiyabona hoka Facebook ay silo naso ke yebo siya it's an open world abantu bayakhuluma kodwa bekhuluma ke ngosizi lezinsizi abaphila kuzona kodwa bebe nabaholi nawe kuzochaphazela uyisilo ngoba uma ubungcwele bakho busebenzela wena wedwa abantu bakho bexhashazwa nxa zonke kungathi awukho abantu bazokuthuka bathuka namakhosi amakhulu akwa-Israyeli ukuze isilo sihlonipheke. Masibanakekele, sibathande abantu baso. I hate these words like I love you, because usually abantu abaqhakamisa lawo magama, they don't have the contents of love in their hearts, because ukubona lokho umuntu onothando, uthando izenzo. It's not just the spoken word. Yes, it's the spoken word, but complemented by deeds that come from the heart. Endlalele engaka, osizini olungaka, isilo phela salala kamnandi sidla all choice foods. The nation is starving. The nation is not the priority. Fasilindane nohulumeni. Sisazodlala, sixoxisane, siyisizwe bekusadlula umkhosi lo owushoyo. Okay, mina ke ngumzalwane, angithi nami phela ngiyakurespect, phela angithi awusinkosi abantu abakholelwa kwesintu kuphela, uyinkosi yamaZulu wonke. So mina ke ngumKristu osindisiwe. So manje okay, ngihlonipha ukuthi ukwi process le oyichazayo umkhosi weshama kanjalo, but engathi uba yi-excuse ngoba nesilo godula ngani wayewenza nje umkhosi weshama, engathi ba yi-excuse to avoid explaining ukuthi what are the tangible steps that you as the monarch are calling for with regards to the issue. Addington Hospital Primary, these illegal immigrants abagcelela kulo mgaqo abaxolodayo ngisho sidlula ngathi abanikazi bezwe lakithi abashnabile abanomzane kuma pavement azange sikhule sikuhlalwa kunajwe kwi pavement yasedolobheni abanomzane bahleli lapha. So why ungakhulumi kahle ngama issues as they are? Wabaleka ngalendlela yosopolitiki ukuthi udaba lusazoxoxa. Kwaku 2008 kusho njalo. It's called gaslighting. So Shangana wakwaZulu siyambongela ngithi uyena wabaleka, manje seke wakwaZulu futhi angithi wabaleka. Oseke sibuyisile kumele wenzani ubuyile seke umZulu futhi. Sacela ukuchazeleka okay sagcina ebaleka usebuyile sewumZulu. So make fika la masibabona bele besidelela lapha or basideleliswa ukuthi sebebuyile bakwaZulu ke manje. Umzilikazi usebuyile naye basidelela bathi asifundile bafunde i-British English bona and the likes. Ubuya lokho babuyele thina. Uthi kade ubalekile besimubuya udelele abantu okade ubenze kabi. Nagcina indodana yolahleka masibuya kubaba wayabuya yazithoba badelela laba babuyile babuye ngendelelo. Ayike wow, kuhle ukwakha ubudlelwane nezinye izizwe, obudlelwane obusakhayo sonke, iqiniso lelo. So far lezo zizwe lezo azikaze sisakhe ithina esilokhu sakhipha akuzimali esizikhiphile njengamaZulu ukulekelela lawo bantu lapho. Sibahlanganisene nasemizini yethu sithi siyabalekelela kanti abantu bakhohlakele beze ukuzosireplace. So sesi-fed up, we don't need them. So sizamile kubakha ubudlelwane ngomunye abantu. Mina ngakubalela nje abantu engihlale nabo bangali ngibalekelela nasendlini yami. So please don't gaslight us. We live with these people, we know them very well. I see idoms zikaCyril Ramaphosa lo onenza ngathi nezidom ngoba kushithi eLimpopo vele bathi amaZulu adom. So ngiyabuka ukuthi no Cyril Ramaphosa make approach nje abaholi bakwaZulu ana approach ngathi nje anikwazi ucabanga on you are easily fooled or whatsoever, misled. So he gets away with a lot. Niphethe kahle na Ramaphosa ngakuphi lapho kuphethwe kahle khona. Niphethe kahle ne-GPU ngakuphi baba? Ngingaxolisa ukuthi baba Silo samabandla ngakuphi niphethe kahle ngakuphi? Mina angiboni kwenzakaleni kwaNongoma ekahle, kwenzakaleni oLundi ekahle, kwenzakalani la eThekwini ekahle. Ukahle lo ungakuphi ukahle kahlushekwa. Umlazi ilokishi eliphasa kunawo wonke amalokishi eSouth Africa selokhu wathi inhlo, kodwa iThohoyandou iyona ethola imisebenzi eminingi eGoli than umlazi osele kuney'kole ezi-more than 10, or rather at least unyaka nonyaka esiba khona isikole esino-100% pass. 80% yabantu basemlazi abasebenzi isilo samabandla, abantu ababebuthanda ubukhosi bakwaZulu ababulwela baze badikibala ngoba abanakiwe. Le Zululand ngathi thina nisiboni ney'nhlupheko zethu. Sacela-ke nazi ukuthi siyamaZulu. ubuZulu akusabantu bakwaNongoma kuphela, sikhona ko-Bergville, sikhona eGoli, sikhona eNew York. Ake nisizwe nama-daily experience ethu, ningasithatheli inqumo mhla kwaNongoma. You have got no personal experiences of things that we are going through as Zulu people in these areas. We are Zulu. Thank you.